Hello and welcome to Mirror Lake Bed, Dry Lake Bed here in Ridgecrest, California. I've been doing a lot of aggressive flying with my CG022 and as a result I broke one of my props yesterday I was doing some pylon racing and smacked straight into one of the pylons, and that broke one of the props. And that ends the race. So I thought to myself, this quad has so much power. I bet you if I put the prop guards on, those prop guards aren't going to affect the flight performance any. So I installed them last night and flew it around my yard, and it was flying great. But I'm concerned that these prop guards might have effect on a windy day, and that's what we got today. Is a nice breezy windy day. See if you can hear the wind in the camera microphone. So what I'm going to do today is a flight test of the quadcopter in the wind. It's a very breezy day today. I'm going to be happy if I can just keep the quadcopter upwind in the air for its battery charge. But a bonus to that would be if I can do turns with this quadcopter, in particular 360-degree turn with the prop guards installed in this heavy wind. So that's today's flight. Windy day flying with the CG022. Let's see how it performs. Okay, the wind is at my back right now, so I'm facing downwind. I'm going to do a hand toss launch of this, and I expect the quadcopter to start flying downwind. And I'm going to start in 20% and see if I can fight back upwind to go upwind of my position. If not, I'm going to increase the mode up to 60% and see if that can bring it back upwind. So here we go. Start with hand tossed. Look at how that flies downwind. Okay, I'm turning upwind. It's having a hard time at 20%, but it's hanging in there, so I'm going to 60. And here it comes. So 60% it can fight the wind. It's got prop guards installed. Even with the prop guards, it's doing well fighting the wind. Okay, letting the wind carry it just to show how fast that wind's going. Nice breezy day today. Let's do that again, see if it can come back upwind again. I'm guessing the wind's about 15 miles per hour. Let's do that again. Just let the wind carry it. That's the wind. Okay, let's set it up higher. The wind's probably a lot stronger up higher, but to do such, I'm going to send it way upwind here, and then increase its altitude. Nice breeze hitting it, but it's doing well, even with the prop guards installed. So this little quadcopter does a great job of fighting the wind. Now let's see if I can do a 360-degree turn. Apply some yaw. Yes, I can. Great little flyer. And it looks so cool too with those prop guards installed. I don't know if you noticed, but it does look cool. Did another 360. In the wind, another 360. So for 26 bucks, this is a great performing quad. I do recommend now. You know, initially I thought it wouldn't fly great with the prop guards installed, but it flies just as well, if not better, with the prop guards installed. So I highly recommend you install your prop guards if you get one of these. It'll protect your props. I already broke one of mine, and that usually doesn't happen to me. So CG022 quadcopter. 6-axis, powerful, and well-performing quadcopter. One of the best buys you can get for your money in RC. I'm surprised this can fly this wind too. I know my WL toys would even have a problem with this wind, but this has no problem. Breezy day. Okay, its battery's weak now. And notice a little flashing light on the front. That shows you got a weak battery. So I don't know how long I flew. I'll find out in post-production here. But that, keep in mind, that was fighting this heavy wind for that flight. So CG022, great windy day flyer. Look at that propeller spin. Quadcopter 101, signing off.